Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So guys, where you can expect to find the fuses for the air suspension compressor on that generation Dodge Ram here. Open, guys, your hood. Under the hood, the main engine fuse box is located, guys, in a fuse box right here. See that cover? You have two notches, press them, you can open that cover. Underneath you'll find the main engine fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist, guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find, guys, a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge Ram, fuses, relays at a really good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, we're going to put a link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. So here, guys, for the air suspension compressor, we need to check up to 3 different fuses. You wonder where they're located. The first one is fuse number 5, right here. That 40 amp fuse, right here, you need to check it. Next, you need to check fuse number 50, guys. Fuse number 50 will be that 20 amp fuse right here. And we have one more fuse that we may need to check, and it's known as fuse number 87. So you wonder where 87 is located. So specifically, that will be 36, okay, 89, 88, 87, guys, okay. 87 will be that fuse, okay, that you see right here. That's the one that you will need to check, okay, that one. So these 3 fuses are for the air suspension compressor. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.